Am I the a-hole for yelling at my husband and telling him to get over himself after he threw away my tampon box? We have been together for 3 years, married for 2 months. I used to use pads for my periods, but recently started using tampons due to medical issues. Tampons work 10x better for me, especially when I'm at work or traveling. My husband Ryan hates them and hasn't given a reason beyond saying he's uncomfortable with me using them. I didn't think it was a big deal initially, as he often puts up with things he dislikes. But this is different. He asked that I go back to using pads, but I made it clear that since it's my body, I get to decide. He threw away some tampons he had access to, and I was getting upset. But to keep the peace, I just bought a box and hid it away from him. He somehow found it and threw it away. I didn't find that out until I had my period yesterday and realized I had no tampons to use. I was tired and too stressed, so I just yelled at him after he admitted to throwing away the whole box. He argued that I already knew how he felt about this stuff, and yet I decided to still keep it around. I lost it and told him he had no right to do this and told him to get over himself already. He stared at me, almost about to tear up or something, then walked out. He later went on about how we, as a couple, should take each other's discomfort into consideration and said he already tried to speak to me about those tampons, yet I brushed him off and insulted him and verbally abused him. He said if I insist on using them, I should do it outside the house, but I told him no.